What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy KJ De Niro, and I got a cool video for y'all today. Basically, in this video, I went to one of my closest friends' house, Timmy, and he a designer, fashion designer, and you know he got his own brand or whatever. So I went over to his crib, watched him, you feel me, design a hoodie, customize a few shirts, do everything, honestly, like the whole process of like how to make clothes, you feel me, from at home. You can do all this at home. You don't gotta have no other resources for real. Well, you know, besides like the hoodies and like all the other little stuff. But still, you can do everything from home though. So don't think you need, you feel me, somebody or whatever the case may be, you feel me. We just gonna hop right into it.
Back in like 2020, 2020, I think.
Okay.
Oh God. So look, so I used that, bro. This bitch right here, bro. This bitch was hard. Like that bitch worked wonders. I used it to cut my fabric, and then you see how I got the freaky hood going on.
Right. Okay. I peeped that.
On the lens. I need a X-Acto knife, but I'm gonna say fuck it. Pinch that a little bit. Now we in there. Uh-oh, gotta be a little careful. Gotta be a little careful. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all what this bitch do. Alright, cool. Alright. The reveal.
Crazy.
That bitch bad. Hey. Oh man, I'm excited. I'm excited. I knew this was gonna be nice, bro. This is hard.
This is crazy.
This is hard. That's tough. I'm gonna probably clip that off. Clip that off a little bit. Maybe distress it, but alright, on to the next one. Switch shot. Blit out. Okay. I'm fucking element. Snip him real quick. Uh-oh. Where'd that go? Okay. The reveal. Okay. Snip him off real quick.
These is two different materials too.
On the land, yeah. So look, that's why I was telling you to feel this, because what's on here, like, you got to feel it in between there. That's this.
Right. Okay.
Oh, God.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's like three different materials, honestly.
Yeah. You know how we do. And then so, now with this, we're going to make some patches out of this right here. So, what I'm going to do, I ain't even going to put it together. But shit, you can probably do it. Alright, hold on. Try not to leave nothing on the ground. You know, the house is a little dirty and shit. Alright, hold on. Here we go. Gonna use the reliable Swindle N Brute. Big swindle, you heard. So what I'm gonna do,
Brown. That's an interesting choice color.
Hey, oh God. Cause I got some of the, like one of the skulls, I mean, it's brown on the skulls and shit.
Right.
So I'm like, all right, that'll make the most sense. I'm looking for my mini squeegee here, bro. Still got pain. I think it's that choice color. All right, and just like that, we gone. We're gonna leave that on there for a quick second. We gotta walk my little whoopie wop. You feel me? Okay. My little butter cutter. You feel me? Right. I usually don't use bottle pin, I use glue, but since this black, I really don't want to fuck with the glue, because if I fuck, like, stain it or some shit,
Right.
I'll ruin it. So, right here, I'm going to show you. Hold on. I cut the bottom off. I cut the bottom off the shirt. So this a piece of it. This a piece of it right here, boom. This a piece of it right here, boom. And now with the other piece from the back of it, I used to make this extended collar. You see, that's where the regular collar folds. So I made this extended collar, showed it all behind the, you feel me?
Okay.
That's a zigzag stitch, but it's black thread, so you can't see that.
Right.
But you can see it on the inside, you know? See that bitch on the inside. And then we got the 3-headed dogs on the back. Alright, cool. And then if you touch that, that's puff right there. A little texture to it, you feel me? White on white, super duper clean. You feel me? I'm gonna use white thread for the patches when I get a chance. And then we back to this project right now. So what I'm gonna do, I really gotta bust open the sleeves. Don't try that at home, kids. Took me a while to know that I could even do that, I'm not gonna lie. So we bust down the sleeves, you feel me? We wind that all up, Alright, put that to the side for now. So usually I'll put a crease in the sleeve so I can know where the middle of it is. But I ain't got my shit in this room, so I'm gonna just pantomime it basically. So this gonna go somewhere like that. That may go somewhere like that. This gonna go on a different arm actually. And then we do the same shit for the next arm. This for a couple. The guy said, man, I fuck with you because you really love your work, bro. I'm like, man, I fuck with you for fucking with me, my nigga. Shout out my nigga Real.
Shout out, bro. Real one. Real nigga.
Uh-oh. If I rip it wrong, I'm gonna fuck up the whole sleeve.
Right.
So, I'm gonna be cool. Cause this one was working against me, man. I'm gonna be cool. Okay. All right, there we go. We got action, baby. We got motherfucking action. You gotta be quick. Sometimes you so quick you fuck that bitch up. All right, and for the next thing we do, we just patchment placement. I mean, I said patchment placement. The patch placement. You feel me? All right. So, we got this one screen. Bro, this is one of my most slept on designs ever. Let me see something. Let me see. One of my most slept on designs, man. Okay. Where the fuck is it? Might be right here.
Damn, you got hella of these ones. Didn't even notice.
What is that? Oh. I think it's this. Sex, money, drugs, bro. Sex, money, and fucking drugs, baby.
That's all you need.
No cap. So what we gonna do is what we got, brown and 10. We gonna make one brown, we gonna make one 10.
Okay.
Alright, so.
Now we are showing y'all how to make clothes. How to do this. You can do this at home.
Right from the crib. Right on the floor. You hear me? Get down and dirty with the shit, homie.
Literally.
Get jiggy with it. Alright, so we gonna make this. I don't know. Alright, we gonna go with this. So you see how close that is?
Hell
Ooh,
yeah.
I might have just fucked up. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta be careful. Man. I gotta be careful not to get this and not to get that. That's when your beauty path. You ain't both had to harness your pain. Holding it goes. Oh. Forgot. I gotta embroider some butterflies on here.
Right.
Damn. So let me not get too carried away with the cuts.
So okay. What's the process behind this?
So you gotta put a piece of this dumbass paper behind this hoop so it could do something that I don't even fucking know. But it's stabilizing paper, so it make it more stable for the needle and thread to go through it. And then you gotta clamp this hoop on there. And I'm just eyeballing right now, but I'm really hoping and praying that I put this shit on there the right way. So right here, this is my embroidery machine, the Innovis NQ17E. I got this for too fucking much, but it's cool. I'm still trying to make my motherfucking money back off this bitch. You feel me?
Got to.
But it's all love. It's a part of the journey, bro. You gonna spend hundreds? Nah, that's too little. You gonna spend thousands of dollars.
If you really trying to invest in yourself and your craft, you gonna spend that bread.
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
You gonna spend that.
And
shit.
this is something that I love. You understand? So I spent that shit.
No, for sure. Got to.
I had to close my eyes though, cause it hurt it. It really hurt it.
That shit is gonna hurt. There's gonna be some days you fucked up, but regardless of the fact,
no, for real.
This shit gonna serve a bigger purpose.
Okay. All right. So now I gotta rotate it on the screen. So there's a hoodie. Let me see something. So the hoodie is this way. Okay. So now I see the direction of the hoodie. I barely see the direction of the hoodie. But now I kind of see how I need to rotate it. Damn, this is kind of tough. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, like that, dude. Who said she is pregnant though, but still. You pray for this thing. Motherfucker flying. You pray for this thing. Cause you know when they cut my fly, I mean they cut my performance. Like, bro, you suck.
The new Pierre Moss. Y'all don't know about
His
these.
last Reebok collection. Y'all better go tap in with him, man. This is his last Reebok collection.
Yeah, these hard too. What you gonna wear with them?
I want this 1996 North Face, the up T some shit. I don't know how to pronounce that shit, but the 1996 North Face is gold and yellow like that. And I'm gonna make a hoodie for my brand. It's a Love Shouldn't Hurt hoodie. Bitch gonna be bad.
It's crazy you say that. You know my job sells them. Shit. Perfect. Wow. This one for the Ross, yeah. Is there anything you want to say to the camera? You want to tell them who you are?
Follows. Oh, my name is Timmy F, bro. Follow Swindle N Brute. Now follow me on Instagram, bro. Timmy_F25. Again, that's Timmy_F25, man. And look at the hoodie, bro. Use a little finesse to get through any obstacle in an aggressive manner. Swindle N Brute, it's a lifestyle, man. Tap in with the guy. Shout out to my nigga KJ World. We taking over for the 215 and 99.
That's what it is. That's the end of the video, you feel me? I appreciate, you feel me, all the love and support y'all show me, like, always. And you feel me, I do see my subscriber count going up for sure. So I appreciate all the new subs. I appreciate everybody who been subbed. I appreciate all y'all, you feel me? As you can see right here, I got the poster, you feel me, that Timmy had gifted me in the video. I got it framed and I got it hanging up in my room, so I am excited about that, you feel me. It gave my room a little more life, you feel me. I feel like I needed this in here. I got more videos on the way, more content on the way, and you already know, we going up. But till next time, all right, y'all.